RV travel is an excellent way to enjoy an outing and experience new adventures. However, that can become a curse when temperatures rise, compelling you to compromise with the comfort that your RV offers. An air conditioner is your best bet in such circumstances. Here's a collection of the best RV air conditioners to have your back and keep you cool in the sweltering heat. But before we dive in, let's look at some parameters you may need to consider before buying the perfect AC to suit your needs. That being said, let's look at the best rooftop RV air conditioners you can install in your RV this summer. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. D20 FreshJet 3 Air Conditioner. If you're looking for an RV air conditioner with a powerful and quiet performance, the D20 FreshJet 3 is a great option. It's available in two sizes, 13,500 BTU and 15,000 BTU. This ensures reliable cooling and dehumidification for your RV or camper. The FreshJet 3 AC's noise reduction also deserves a noteworthy mention. Its impressive noise reduction technology provides a 4 dB reduction in noise levels compared to its previous models. Number 2. D20 Brisk II Air Conditioner. The D20 Brisk II Air Conditioner has a cooling power of 13,500 BTU and is designed to keep your RV cool and comfortable on the hottest summer days. The advanced dampening brackets work their best in reducing noise and vibration during operation. This technology ensures you have a serene and peaceful indoor environment while offering a commendable cooling performance. The D20 Brisk II Air Conditioner also boasts innovative technology and high-quality materials to maximize airflow and performance. Whether you're parked in the shade or under the hot sun, this RV air conditioner ensures you don't fall prey to the uncomfortability of sweat trickling down your neck in steamy weather. Number 3. Coleman RV Air Conditioner. The Coleman RV Air Conditioner is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a trustworthy RV air conditioner with a good cooling capacity. This AC unit offers 13,500 BTUs and is designed to provide reliable and efficient heating and cooling for your RV. The Coleman RV air conditioner also provides 320 cubic feet of air per minute. This ensures your RV stays chilled and comfortable even on the hottest days of summer. Number 4. Furrion Lippert RV Air Conditioner. The Furrion Lippert RV Air Conditioner is an excellent choice if you're looking for an AC unit for just under $1,000. With a cooling capacity of 15,550 BTU, this device will ensure a relaxed atmosphere during hot outdoors. The dual fans are also one of its striking features, as they help the unit operate quietly and generate less heat. The Furrion Lippert RV Air Conditioner also features a high-capacity compressor that cools your RV faster than many other units. Apart from being stylish, this unit also helps improve gas mileage and overall performance on the road, unlike many other of its counterparts. Number 5. Douglas D20 Powerful Air Conditioner. The Douglas D20 is an excellent choice for an air conditioner if you're looking for one that's easy to install and doesn't require any complex procedures. It has a cooling capacity of 9,800 BTUs and can provide efficient cooling even in cramped RVs and other small spaces. Another striking feature of this AC unit is that it is entirely battery-powered, which can be charged while driving to enjoy a reliable cooling performance. So, regardless of whichever adventure you're on, rest assured you'll never run out of cooling with this rooftop AC unit watching you from above.